Hey everybody, I'm gonna make some vanilla today. So I recently did a short video on vanilla and I made a little tiny small batch here, but I wanted to just go and do something a little bigger so that you could understand a little more about the vanilla making process. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell if you like what you see. This is super easy to do. You need an empty bottle and you're gonna need a funnel, some vanilla, I got my vanilla online at Etsy at Slow Food Group, and it comes in this package which is tightly air sealed, so the vanilla is very fresh. In fact, you can smell it even through the package. If you get it at the grocery store, it's going to be maybe old and very expensive. 2 little beans, $13 at the grocery store. Then I went and I got this, and I got 10 beans for I think it was 20 plus a little shipping. You're also going to need vodka or some other alcohol. Cheapest vodka I could find. It doesn't matter at all. There's various ways that you can prepare it, and I'll show you a few different things you can do. And for this bottle here, I'm going to use all of this. It smells so good. I have 8 vanilla beans. This bottle here has 4 vanilla beans in it. And it's been sitting in my shelf for a few weeks. This is my first batch. They say you should do at least 3 months to a year. So I'm gonna check it in 3 months. I'm gonna keep it in a dark spot, and every once in a while I take it out and I shake it. This is the various ways that you can prepare the beans. You could literally just put them in like that. And these can be put in whole because the bottle is tall. For this bottle, I actually had to cut them to make sure that they fit in there. So I'm going to use an X-Acto knife. You just split it down the middle, and then you open up the bean and you can see all the good stuff in there. It's really gooey. And then you could either put it in the bottle like that. However, I would like to scrape mine out. And you just take a spoon or a knife and just run it along the inside. I'm just going to take some of it out, and then I'm going to put the bean in here. It's because the bean's open. You don't have to scrape it all out. Put it all in there. And then I'm going to continue doing that with these. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Some of them I scraped out the center and others I didn't. I just opened it up a little and put it in there. Then you want to put your vodka in there. Give it a good shake. And then put it in a dark spot for at least 3 months. I'm gonna open this one up and smell it. I've got spiced rum and vodka in this one. So I'm gonna go put this in the shelf in a dark spot and let it sit for like 3 months. My book is on Amazon. It's called Wedding Cakes with Lorelei Step by Step. It's really more of a recipe book, but it does have step-by-step instructions on how to do a tiered cake. There's a special page at my website, password protected page, just for my customers. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.